Hebei Zonghang Machinery Manufacturing Company, established in 2015, with one old name, Jingjing Wei, from year 1983, who is a professional manufacturer engaged in design, development, production, sale, and service. It mainly produces weaving industrial machines for metal wire mesh, accessories, and other auxiliary machines. Our brand, APM, is the abbreviation of Advanced Productive Machine. Our team of experts utilizes the advanced technology and techniques to manufacture machines that are both efficient and easy operation, ensuring that they will meet or exceed your expectations. With years of experience in the wire mesh machine industry, we have the expertise to provide customized solutions that meet your specific needs. We are located in Shijiazhuang City, Hebei Province, with convenient transportation access, dedicated to strict quality control and thoughtful customer service. Our experienced staff members are always available to discuss your requirements and ensure full customer satisfaction. In addition, we have obtained high and new technology enterprise certificates, selling over 70% market in all cities and provinces around China. Our products are also exported to clients in South or East Asia, South Africa, West Europe, over 70 countries till now, adhering to the business principle of mutual benefits. We have had a reliable reputation among our customers because of our professional services, quality products, and competitive prices. We warmly welcome customers from at home and abroad to cooperate with us for common success.
We are in weaving machine. Welcome to visit us.